What sets Innovator apart from our competition is our core values. Innovation in technology, innovation in delivery, exceptional technician training, and a commitment to customer service.
I like the challenge. I like the different aspects and different things that I have to do or deal with every day. Starting out as one of the only technicians here and working the way up, I've been able to come across a lot of different challenges and succeeded well so far. I just hope to continue doing the same forward.
And that was a really, really big deal to me, to be able to have a say in how the company would move forward, be able to elicit change in the company for the better, to help it grow, rather than working for a larger corporation such as a Jacobs or a KBR or Worley Parson, where you can put in a whole lot of effort, but as far as changing the direction of the company, one person isn't really going to have a very large impact.
Ultimately, I think that's the difference, is our commitment is constantly working towards being the best results provider, and we see innovation, training, and customer service as being the pillars to achieve that.
Innovator's legacy is definitely part of me. I've been here for a few years now, so and me going out and showing what I have and my team has, and showing what Innovator is made of, I think the legacy is definitely a part of me.